to Signing with Carolyn. Today we're going to learn our alphabet. It's called the manual alphabet. Let's start with A. A. Notice with our A, your hands are all down on your palm, and if you think about it, it actually looks like an A. And there's the little tail. A. 4 fingers are up, thumb is across. B. C. C looks like a C to me. See? See the C? C. To the side. C. D. All 3 of these fingers are on my thumb, and my index finger is pointing straight up. D. 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 E. With E, all of your fingers, all 4 of these fingers are resting on top of my thumb. E. E. F. F. My index finger is making a circle with my thumb, and these 3 fingers are straight up. F. F. G. G, my index finger and my thumb. G. 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 This is the letter G. H. Notice I have my long finger and my index finger. They're put together. This is H. 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 I. Your pinky is straight up. I. I. For J, still that pinky straight up, but you're going to make a loop like you're drawing your J. J. So you just drew it in the air. J. K. With K, it looks like a V, and then your thumb is going to go right between your V to make the K. 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 With your thumb right there between, and your 2 fingers out like this makes that K. K. And our last letter is L. L. Now I want you to practice those. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L. Good job. I hope to see you soon. Bye now.